I will talk about how can you make internet transfer on your Octa app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down here, then you come here to internet transfer here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here, sorry, you, so I'm go back. Before that, they say we have uh, to deposit here, like you see, we click here, enter transfer, and here add from, and here to enter here the amount to be deducted here, then your Octa pin, then it's going to transfer with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.